Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave, and this week I want to share with you some amazing projects using this month's paper pumpkin kit. The kit contains enough materials to make, I think, 9 cards, 3 of each of these, and then there's actually a third design. I haven't made that one yet though. It's just like this, except it says celebrate. So these are such awesome cards, and the kit is adorable. I love, love, love the kit. So I wanted to show you some alternative projects that I came up with. These 2 cards are so easy, and then I just made it the kind of the focal point of my card into a gift tag for this little treat bag. But look at how cool this is. So these stickers are part of the paper pumpkin kit this month. It comes with a whole bunch of these stickers, and you can see these are parts of the kit. So I just took some of these stickers and mounted them on some die cut stitched circles that I made up. So let me show you how easy this is. Okay, so I've die cut 3 of these stitched shape circles. By the way, all the dimensions can be found on my blog, as well as links to the online store to purchase the items I used to make up these cards. So I'm going to take my sticker sheets, again, that were included with the kit. These are actually in the kit they use them to decorate the envelopes, but hello, I'm making more cards with mine. I'm just saying. All right, so I'm going to take one of each of these little flower stickers and take and put a dimensional on the back of them, and then place them on my stitched shape circle. So really simple. There's lots to choose from here, and there's tons of extras, which I love. Usually paper pumpkin kits have lots of extra pieces that you can use. I know I'm like challenged here with all these things stuck to my fingers. That's just kind of how I roll though. That's what I really like about paper pumpkin is it's such a great value. We also, I also give you some alternative ideas each month for what you can do with your kit besides make the cards that are included. So that's kind of a fun treat as well. Also, I have to tell you, this is really exciting. So our 5th anniversary is coming up next month. And what that means is that if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you're going to get something extra added in your kit next month. And if you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can join. All you have to do is subscribe by the 10th of the month. So by the 10th, so you've got 10 days, and you'll automatically get that gift in your kit. And of course, when you subscribe, you get fabulous ideas each month, and there's no long-term obligation. You can quit whenever you would like, or you can pause your subscription if you want. Maybe you're not going to have some time to craft, so you want to wait. That you can manage. But another option for getting paper pumpkin is to actually get a prepaid subscription. It's like a tongue twister. I'm serious. So in a prepaid subscription, what you get is you can do 3, 6, or 12 months. You get a discount, and then it's celebration time. So each one of those subscriptions would give you at least one prepaid or one celebration choice, which is pretty awesome. So now I've punched white 1.5-inch circles and mounted each of these to those. Now I'm going to take my cardstock and I'm going to use some of the images from the stamp set. There's some cute little floral images that came with the set. And I'm going to stamp those in white ink to kind of create a pretty little background here. It's very subtle and very easy. Whenever I'm kind of doing this random stamping, I'm always going to start with my largest image first. And you can see I'm just stamping randomly. Then I'll fill it in with the others as we go to fill that background up. Oops. I stamped on my work surface. It comes right off. Okay, so back to my Paper Pumpkin subscription. I got to talk it up. So if you order a prepaid subscription, the best deal, and this is actually what I do each year during celebration, is I order a 12-month subscription. And then I add just a little bit more to my total. So a 12-month subscription is $200 and I want to say $15 or something like that. If I add just a little bit more to that, I hit the $250 mark. And during celebration, I get an extra $25 in Stampin' Rewards. So if I bumped my order total up to $250, I would get all of this. I'd get 12 months of paper pumpkin. I would get $25 in Stampin' Rewards plus 25 bonus dollars in Stampin' Rewards. So that's $50 total. Plus I would get 5 celebration items. Oh my gosh, that is such an awesome deal. So I highly recommend taking advantage of that opportunity if you would like. The details are on my blog, so check them out. The link is in the description of this video. And of course, when you subscribe through Paper Pumpkin, subscribe with me through Paper Pumpkin, you'll also get extra ideas each month delivered to you. There's like 12 to 15 each month, so it's kind of awesome. Actually, sometimes there's even more than that. So, all right, I've mounted this on a piece of white cardstock, and I'm going to tie some of our classic weave ribbon. Is this what that's called? I keep wondering. Yeah, classic weave ribbon. Okay, I put that on my blog, and then I wasn't sure, and then I didn't have my catalog handy to look it up. Okay, so I've got my ribbon on here, and I'm going to tie it way to the very edge because I know I'm going to need as much space as I can for those circles to be mounted on here. So I'm just going to tie a pretty little knot, nothing fancy about it. And it looks a little cockeyed, but we'll kind of mess around with it once we've attached our cute little flowers. All right, I'm actually going to take some of these edge pieces from my dimensional sheets and use these to put on the top and bottom of each circle, and then I can easily adhere them to my card, and then the ribbon kind of goes in between. So it works out perfect, because you know how I like using up my edge pieces of my dimensionals and when things work out perfect, because that makes me happy. All right, I hope that you are excited about this, but wait till you see the next card, because it's like so dang easy, it's not even funny. I mean, like, it's kind of ridiculous. Those are sort of the cards that I love, though. Okay, so I'm going to put this on here way at the edge. I'm going to put this on over here, trying to make sure that they're reasonably straight, and then over here. And these, by the way, are like actual flowers. Like, these are pictures of actual flowers, which is, I think, even cooler. They kind of remind me of those Anne Geddes pictures that were so popular back in the like early 90s or late 90s or early 2000s or whenever that was. I don't know. I didn't have kids then, so it really wasn't my thing, but they were cute. Okay, last thing we're going to do is take the sentiments from this stamp set and emboss them really quickly onto a little strip of cardstock. So I'm going to take my embossing buddy and just run it across here. And then I've got, just looking, oh, here we go, my friend stamp, but I got to clean it because I had used it for my other card, which we're going to use again in a minute. But we want to make sure it's clean for this part. So I'm going to stamp friend in my white ink. Like so. And I did this again. I need it to be kind of really close to the bottom so I can get hello sweet right above. So this is another one of the words from the stamp set. I have it mounted on this block that's got some glue schmutz on it, so sorry about that. But hello, sweet friend. And then I've got my white embossing powder here. I'm just going to dip that through and heat it up quick. And this will really make it pop because that white ink, while it's wonderful, it's not always super dark. So the embossing definitely helps. My dog is in here and she's like, I did not know that I was going to be vacuuming today. She doesn't like the vacuum cleaner. So I think she thinks my embossing gun is like vacuuming. So she's left the building. She's like, I'm out of here. You let me know when you're done. Hello, sweet friend. So cute. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is take and punch this with my triple banner punch. Because you know I love those little banner ends. They're so cute. And then we'll just adhere this to our card. All right. I'm just going to put some adhesive up here and stick it down right up here. By the way, in case you were wondering why this is on a little banner instead of on the card, it's because I messed it up on my sample and then I liked how it looked. So I'm pretending that that's exactly what I planned to do all along. I stamped my friend really crooked. So just so you know, that's sometimes where this stuff comes from. All right. So I'll just mount it. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, now if you can handle it, we're going to make 2 more projects, but they're so quick. You're going to love them. And I think there's lots of opportunities for mixing up the colors on this. I really think it is super cute and easy to do. So let me show you the next project because like I said, it's so easy. I've die cut a couple of these labels and I'm going to pull in this little line image. Now in the stamp set, or in the paper pumpkin kit, they show that line as, I'll show you, you can use it to write your addresses on your envelopes, but I think it's a really cool design element. So what I did is I'm inking this up in Sahara sand. And this is actually, every week we have color combination challenges on my team blog for demonstrators on my team. And this was this week's, and I really liked this and was inspired to get moving with it. So, okay, so I stamped 2 lines in Sahara sand. Then I'm going to stamp friend in Flirty Flamingo. Wow, words are hard sometimes. And then Hello Sweet in Powder Pink. Okay. Powder pink. So cute. And then I will top that off with 1 more straight line. Now, when I first thought about doing this, I was like, oh, I don't know how hard it's going to be to get that line straight, but it's actually pretty easy. And I love the look of this. Isn't that cute? So there we go. Now, I also took and stamped one of the floral images, and I need a scrap to stamp this off on. Ooh, here, I've got it. There's a little scrap stamped off, and then I'll just stamp that up there. I'll do that once more. Stamped it off on my scrap, and then we'll stamp it up here. I thought it looked better if it was a little lighter, not so in your face. Okay, now on one of these, I'm going to mount it to a note card. So this is just one of our Whisper White note cards and envelopes. So really easy, pre-done. All I need to do is embellish it. So what I'm going to do is add a couple of dimensionals on here, and then a little touch of ribbon. And then I'm going to take the other one and punch a hole in it and turn it into a little treat tag. Okay. Now the only thing I need to do is put some fast fuse on here. And then I've got some of our powder pink shimmer ribbon. Got a brand new roll. Now this ribbon has a little shimmer in it, which is so fun. And then it coordinates, of course, with the powder pink color that I was using. So I'll start over here, and you can use your tag or your label to kind of make sure that you've got the right width of your ribbon going across so that it covers it and everything. We'll snip the end of that. I'll make this one pointy too at an angle because I think it looks nice. We'll put that over. That's it. Like, hello, that's it. Now I can do a couple extra things. Like I said, this one is just going to get a punch at the top. So it really is simple. And then I added it to my little treat bag. So these are just some mints. that I put in here with a little bit of, in a cello bag with a little bit of ribbon, and then I tied it on with some baker's twine. So this would be such a sweet gift to give to somebody. Okay, now one other thing I wanted to show you is you could really kind of pop this up even further by taking some of those other images, and I'm going to use, in this case, the powder pink, and I'm going to decorate that envelope flap. And then that's really cute too, right? I mean, yeah. So I hope I've inspired you to get a little stamping going on and make some cute, simple cards with the extras from your paper pumpkin kit, as well as the stamp set that's included in it each month. Thank you so much for watching with me, and as always, I really appreciate your business. I would love to earn your business as your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and if you would like to join us, we have a fabulous community of fantastic, supportive women, and I have a great VIP rewards program for my customers, so check it out. It's all on my blog, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There should be a little subscribe thing right here. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye.